Good afternoon. Okay, you can continue with the mornings. Okay, morning session. What we have discussed, with that we are going to continue. Morning session we discussed about algebra of derivative functions. Isn't it? Two rules we learned. Which are the two rules? Can you give the rules? Which are the rules we learned? The first one is d by dx of some constant into f of x is, that constant we can take outside and it is same as d by dx of f of x. Second rule, what's the second rule? D by dx of f of x plus g of x. Suppose we have two functions, then this is same as d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x. D by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x. Third rule, again for addition we are learning the same thing, we can apply it for subtraction also. F of x, difference, f of x minus g of x is equal to d by dx of f of x minus d by dx of g of x, minus d by dx of g of x. Fourth rule, very, very important rule, product rule. Product rule. Listen children, 1 second you listen. D by dx of f of x into g of x. Suppose we have the product of two functions here. F of x into g of x. Suppose you have x square into sin x. Is it clear? X square is one function, sin x is another function. So product of two functions are there means, listen what we are doing. I am keeping the first function as such, f of x as such, derivative of second function, d by dx of g of x, plus keep the second function as such, derivative of first function, d by dx of f of x. Is it clear how to learn this rule easily? Suppose two functions are there in product. First function as such, derivative of second function, plus second function you keep it as such, derivative of first function. This one we learn in another way called UV rule. We call this as UV rule, product UV rule. U is a function of x, u and v are two functions. So in that case, listen, the same rule we can write like this, uv the whole dash. Dash means it is derivative, y dash. Okay, like this here, uv the whole dash. Product rule for two functions. Which are the two functions? U and v. Product rule for these two functions. Okay. What about product rule for three functions? Okay, I'm going to explain the product rule of three functions. U, V, W the whole dash. Can you guess? If it goes wrong, no problem children, you just try. Two functions means what we did? We kept the first function as such, derivative of second function, plus second function as such, derivative of first function. Here U, V, W the whole dash. What will be the formula?
U V
dash V into W.
U dash V W
Plus
plus
V dash W.
U V dash W
U
plus
W
W dash. Okay, you differentiate one function at a time. Keep the remaining function as such. Plus first function keeping as such. Plus first and last we are keeping as such. Middle one we are differentiating. Plus first two we keep it. Last one we are differentiating. Is it okay? Very good, Gayatri. So U V W the whole dash is equal to U dash V W plus uv dash w plus uv w dash. This rule we call it as product rule. Okay. Now let us try. Okay, let us solve some questions based on this product rule. You all copied that one? Did you copy this one? Everyone copied this? Shall we start doing problems based on product rule?
Yes,
Yes,
Shall
ma'am.
we
ma'am.
start, children?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Write the question. First one. Differentiate the following. Differentiate the following. First one. X into x minus 3. X plus 1 into x minus 3. Listen, children. Yesterday, we differentiated a similar function. What we did yesterday. Now, don't write. Now, listen. Listen. Okay, when you listen, you will be able to understand the concept easily. Yesterday, one similar question we did. Isn't it? What we did yesterday. How we differentiated this function.
We took it as one whole function by multiplying.
And can you say it louder?
And we multiplied the two
Yes.
terms and then we wrote.
We multiplied it, isn't it? We multiplied this one and we applied the first rule. Derivative using first principle we did. Here the method is not specified. You are asked to find the derivative. So one way is you can find the derivative using first principle. Okay, for the exam, if it is asked, then you do in that way. Otherwise, you do this in easy way method. Okay, here what you can do, the same question, I'm going to solve it in two different methods. Okay, the first one is, listen, first I name this function as y. Y is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 3. Listen, children, I'm going to solve this by using the first method, method 1. Y is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 3. First, I'm opening the bracket like what we did yesterday. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3. So, what is y? X square minus 2x minus 3. Now, can we find the derivative here? What is dy by dx? What is the derivative? What is the derivative of x square? Morning we learned. What is the derivative of x raised to n? N x raised to n
2x.
minus 1, isn't it? So what is the
2x.
derivative of x square? Yes, yes, Sachin.
2x minus
2x
2. Minus 2.
minus 2. Same writing the steps in detail. It is same as d by dx of x square minus 2 into d by dx. Okay, that one I'm not writing because you have practiced some questions. Okay, is it clear what I'm saying here? If you want, you have to write the steps like this. D by dx of x square minus d by dx of 2x minus d by dx of 3. If you want, you can write the steps like this. But hereafter, we should get practice with this. Okay, what is the derivative of x square? 2x. What is the derivative of minus 2x? Minus 2 being constant, we can keep it as such. Derivative of x is 1. So negative 2 into 1 minus, this is 0, constant. So it is 2x minus 2. This is the first method. Now the same question, we are going to solve it by using the second method. Y is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 3. Here, I am going to differentiate it using the product rule. So the first function I am taking this as u, the second function as v. First function, it is product of two functions, x plus 1 into x minus 3. So this is our first function and this is our second function. Okay, so y is equal to uv. What's the formula? What is dy by dx? What is the product rule? U into v dash plus u dash into v. Keep the first function as such, derivative of second function. Plus second function you keep it as such, derivative of first function. So what is u here? X plus 1 into derivative of first function, second function, d by dx of x minus 3 plus derivative of first function, d by dx of x plus 1. Second function, you can keep it as such, x minus 3. Now, which is same as x plus 1 into. Now tell me, what is the derivative of x minus 3? What is derivative of x? What is the derivative of x? It is 1 minus derivative of 3. It is constant.
0.
It is 0. Plus, now write the derivative of x plus 1. Derivative of x is 1. Plus derivative of 1 is 0. The second function you can write as such, x minus 3. So that is x plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into x minus 3. So which is x plus 1 plus x minus 3. So which is 2x minus 2. In both the ways you will be getting the same answer. So first one, we are applying the formula that. Here we are using the product rule and we are doing. The same question we can do it by using first principle. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it okay, children? So now the next one, find the derivative of x square into sin x. Find the derivative of x square into sin x. So first step, you name this as y. Y is equal to x square into sin x. So here, which are the two functions here? Which are all the two functions you have here? What is the first function? Which one is the second function? Krishna Chandran, can you give can you identify the functions here?
H square
Uh,
and sin x.
Sin x. U and v. X square is the first function and sin x is the second function. So you have y is equal to uv. So y dash is equal to. Y dash is equal to, always make it practice to write the formula and proceed. uv the whole dash. What is uv the whole dash? U into v dash plus u dash into v. uv the whole dash is u into v dash plus u dash into v. If we change the order also, it is not a problem. Okay, it will not affect the answer, because we know that addition is commutative. A plus b will be same as b plus a. Suppose I write u dash v first and uv dash in the second, it's not a matter, it's easy. Okay, you'll get the same answer. Now, you substitute here. Y dash is equal to, what is u? X square into derivative of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
It is cos x plus u dash d by dx of x square into second function, we will keep it as such. So that is x square into derivative of sin x is cos x plus d by dx of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x into sin x. 2x into sin x. Is it okay, children? Is it clear? Shubham Paul is here. He's asking about the chapters for half yearly. Which all the chapters you have? Tell me the chapters. Which all the chapters you have completed you'll be having for half yearly. First one we did with
Sequences and series.
sequences and series. Second one,
Sets.
set theory,
Sets.
relations and functions. Okay, relations and functions,
Derivatives.
limits and
Limits and
derivatives.
derivatives.
Limits and derivatives. Write the next one. Find the derivative of. Is it time up, children? Till what time you have here, class? Is it up to 2:40? Okay. So the next one. Find the derivative of x square plus 3x plus 1 into 3x square minus 7. Find the derivative of x square plus 3x plus 1 into 3x square minus 7. How to do this? First you name this as y. The first function, this one as u, this one as v. If you want, we can do this in another way. You can expand it and you can do it. That is one way. Here, now we have learned product rule. You take the first function as u and second function as v. So y takes the form uv. Y takes the form uv. Therefore, what is y dash? This uv the whole dash. So which is same as u into v dash plus u dash into v. Okay, hereafter is it needed to write the steps again and again? Shall we differentiate and write directly? So y dash is equal to u. What is u here? X square plus 3x plus 1 into v dash. What is v dash?
6x.
It is 6x. Very good. Who is giving the answer that one? A name?
Achud.
Achud. You are giving the answer. Who gave the answer? Derivative of 3x square. It's correct. Just to want who is giving the answer. Is it Achud you gave? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Three x square. How we are getting 6x? Is it clear? 3 into derivative of x square. What is derivative of x square? 2x. So 3 into 2x. 3 into 2x. So you'll get 6x minus 0 plus u dash into v. Derivative of u. What derivative of x square is? 2x plus what is the derivative of 3x?
3.
3 plus 1. Derivative of 1 is 0 into, write the second function as such, 3x square minus 7. That is x square plus 3x plus 1 into 6x plus 2x plus 3 into 3x square minus 7 into 3x square minus 7. So if you want, you can open the bracket, simplify and write. You can open the bracket, simplify and write. When you open the bracket, what you will get? 6x cube plus 18x square plus 6x plus Again here it is 6x cube minus 14x plus 9x square minus 21. Terms and write. Group all the like terms, simplify and give the answer. What is the answer? Aishwarya, feeling sleepy? So what is 6x cube plus 6x cube? Nandana, can you give the final answer? Nandana?
12x cube
Yes.
plus 27x square minus 8x minus 21.
Minus 21. Is it correct, Aditya Satyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, the rule, okay. So, the fourth rule we have learned is product rule. The fourth rule we have learned is product rule. Then the next rule, fifth rule. The fifth rule, we call it as quotient rule. We call this as quotient rule. Quotient rule. Okay. Suppose the function is of the form f of x by g of x, with g of x is not equal to 0, with the denominator not equal to 0. For example, suppose we have the function like this, x by sine x. Numerator you have some function in x, denominator another function in x. So if the function takes the form f of x by g of x, listen children. So d by dx of f of x by g of x is equal to, okay, keep the denominator as such. While keeping the denominator as such, derivative of the numerator f dash of x minus, in product rule we used plus, in quotient rule it is minus, keep the numerator as such, derivative of denominator by g of x the whole square. Keep the denominator as such, derivative of numerator minus derivative of, okay, numerator keep it as such, derivative of denominator by g of x the whole square by the denominator square. Okay, in other words, okay, so we learn this as u by v rule. U by v the whole dash is, u by v the whole dash is v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This rule we call it as derivative of, finding the derivative using quotient rule. Is it okay? So today we have learned so many formulas. In algebra of derivatives, you have learned 5 formulas. All these formulas, you write it separately and learn it thorough. Because the next problem solving, in solving the problems, we need all these formulas. So in quotient rule, u by v the whole dash is equal to b into denominator into derivative of numerator minus u into v dash by v square. Okay. Write the question. Write the question, children. Now we are going to differentiate it using quotient rule. Write that. Find the derivative of 3x plus 4 by 5x square minus 7x plus 9. Find the derivative of 3x plus 4 by 5x square minus 7x plus 9. Listen, children. So y is equal to u by v. It is in the form u by v. Shubham, is it okay? You have the function in the form numerator by denominator. So it is in the form u by v. Is it okay? Is it clear? So what is u here? U, it is 3x plus 4. V, 5x square minus 7x plus 9. So I am going to find what is u dash. What is u dash? What is u dash? Dia, can you give what is u dash? U dash means derivative of u. Derivative of 3x plus 4. Dia, can you give the derivative of 3x plus 4? Dia, can you hear me, Dia? Tomlin, what is u dash? Tomlin, give me what is u dash. Tomlin, Ashwin, Ashwin Binil, Ashwin, what is u dash?
Ma'am,
Yes.
u dash
What is u dash?
3
What's the derivative of 3x plus 4?
3 ma'am.
Ashwin?
3 ma'am, I told.
3. Okay. Okay, correct, Ashwin. What about v dash? Aryan, v dash. Aryan. What is v dash? Aryan? What is the answer? What is V dash here? Aditya. Aditya is
X
charged.
minus
Ma'am,
7.
10x minus 7.
10x minus 7. Is it clear here, Michael? This one, how we are getting this? Is it clear? What you are doing here? It is same as 5 into derivative of x square is 2x. Minus 7 into derivative of x is 1. Plus constant, it is 0. So you'll get V dash is 10x minus 7. V dash is 10x minus 7. Now write the quotient rule. What is u by v the whole dash? Y dash is same as u by v the whole dash, which is same as v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. By v square. What is v here? Apply the value. What is v? It is 5x square minus 7x plus 9 into u dash. U dash is 3 minus u into, u is here 3x plus 4 into v dash 10x minus 7 by v square. 5x square minus 7x plus 9 the whole square. Now you expand this and simplify, you get the answer. Expand this. When you expand this, you will get 15x square minus 21x plus 27 minus of
30x square
30x square minus 21x plus 40x minus 28 by denominator, no need to expand, keep it as such itself. In the numerator, you open the bracket, group the like terms and complete it. Open the bracket, group the like terms and complete this one. Okay? Is it okay? Complete this one. In the last period, be ready for problems. You will be solving the problems. I'll be giving some questions. You are going to solve it and give the answer. Is it okay? Do you know, is the method clear? Product rule and quotient rule, is it clear? Product rule, u, v, the whole dash. When we have product of two functions, first function we will take it as u, the second function as v. And u, v, the whole dash is u into v dash plus u dash into v. There we are using plus. If we change the order also, it will not affect. Ashwin, can you give the quotient rule, Ashwin? Quotient rule, Ashwin.
U by V dash is equal to
U by V, the whole dash is
whole
equal
dash is
to
equal to V. U dash is equal to U V dash by V square.
by V square. Okay, the next class, learn the formulas and thank you, children.